right, it's 5/27. It's officially game week. I don't know how to feel right now because it's hella early in the morning. Niggas tired as hell. But nah, it's game week though. I'm excited. It's a blessing. Entering my 4th season in this league, especially coming off, a bad injury. So just to make it to this point, when I didn't think I could play football again, it's a blessing. But it's different over here. My last team, our schedule wasn't this, I don't know the word, but taxing, I guess. But yeah, it's just pretty tough. We got a lot. We got meetings at 5:55, lift at 6:45, practice at 8, then meetings at 11, then treatment at 1. So, it's a lot, but, it ain't nothing too bad, Like I said, it's all a blessing at the end of the day. But it's game week. I'm excited to get this week going. I'm ready to play in this game, man. So this sun need to come out. Bro, it's 34 degrees. Like, where you see my breath in the car. I ain't fucking with this shit. I ain't gonna lie. It's biting. All right, we just wrapped up the first practice of the new game week. We start off by meetings at 5:55, and then that turned into a workout, a body workout before practice. I know that sounds crazy, but that was intense. Like, everybody dripping, sweating, like, that got to us, and then we practice started off a little slow, but we picked up the tempo. Then after practice, we chose our jersey numbers. I chose 0, so your boy gonna be 0 this year. And then after that, we had meetings, and now it's treatment, but it's a little bit of a line, so as y'all can see, but I can do this quick little lift, and then get some treatment, and then that's the end of the day. Yeah, man. 2, 3, 4. Man.
So if we can come up without stopping, I like that better.
Oh, so the boom, 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 boom?
No, you don't have to go fast, but like instead of you're doing this and then like coming out, keep your position the whole time.
Oh, okay. All right.
Don't let that knee cave in.
Ooh. Damn, that was an ugly little session, but shit's cooked. Hey, Brooke. We are not done. She still got me doing stuff. I saw 10.
Yep. You should be only feeling it really close to your hip. I want you to do 10 each side. Let me know when you're done because we're going to do another variation of that.
How y'all doing? Y'all want to say hi to the camera?
Hey, how's you going?
I'm trying to flip the camera. We're doing a walkthrough in the pool. This shit litty. We about to do a walkthrough. I don't know how we all about to fit, but y'all can get a player or two. But we can't give away the sauce. We can't give away the sauce. Oh. You know my first dunk was in 8th grade?
Oh, yeah?
I was a yo sauce.
I got to lift. What's tomorrow, Wednesday? Probably lift Thursday, do like full body.
Olu.
We got a team lift.
Yo, Olu. You know Olu gonna do some insane shit.
Some bullshit. What we did today.
And I did my own lift today.
K-loop, trips right, Coney. K-loop, trips right, Coney. Stack, 7, sail now, Flynn. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready? if they're trying to combo it, pro left nick and inside. Fear, pro left nick and inside. Stick trailer on 2 on 2. Ready?
Do the row.
It's 2 days before the game. I don't really feel like no emotions. Like obviously, I'm excited and everything for the game, but I feel like since we're not in that routine just yet, I feel like I'm just chill about it,
Look, man, we made it to the walkthrough. Yeah, it's appearance today. We got the walkthrough. Stare at it. Yeah, the walkthrough just chilling right now before it start. I'm lucky tired. That boy DB, man, say what's good, bro.
Man, what up with it, man? Little walkthrough day, little clean up day, man. We play Sunday, man. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. At home with it versus Vegas. So, yeah, man. A little tired though, but last real work day before we, get active and turn up on Sunday. All right. Just got done with treatment after the nice little walkthrough. Even though that walkthrough felt like a practice, it was like 2 hours long. I kid you not. But also too, we got some bad news. They postponed the game until Monday. I guess it's about to be a very bad snowstorm out here, so they postponed the game, which I don't really know how I feel. I feel like I don't really care too much about, I just want to low-key just play. But I don't know, I feel like I'm not in a rush. That's more days to prepare, more days to get my body right, my mind right, so yeah. But about to go ahead to lift right now at our other gym, and then, call it a day, chill, and just vibe out. All right, we just got to the gym. Yeah, this will probably be the last thing I'll do of the day in terms of football related things. I've been up since 6. I walked through treatment, so now I'm just doing a little extra work in. Since they postponed the game, I'm gonna get another lift in for the week. I'm gonna make sure I'll stay strong and healthy throughout the season. But I want y'all to take a look at the gym though. This shit dope. So this is the weight room part of it. I can see in the back. Yeah, this is just one of the places you can lift and do free weights at. They have another out there, but this is the cool space, I feel like, because all the lights and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm about to get to this lift. All right, it's the day before the game. My shit looking a little scruffy and rough. I'm finna slide to my teammate room and get right, man. Finna get sliced up. Come in. Right there. Let's get right in this, man. How long you been cutting hair for?
I've been cutting hair for probably 2 weeks now.
2 weeks?
Yeah.
You just learned?
Yeah.
You lying. Are you from over there near Coastal? You from where?
West Memphis.
Oh, shit. Damn. I was crazy. You didn't, I ain't never met somebody from Memphis. I was as quiet as you, though. Everybody I know from Memphis, low-key crazy.
I don't be knowing niggas, so I've been going through a lot of shit like this.
Nah, for sure. Nah, for sure. I feel that. Shout out to my boy, man. Hooked me up, man. Got me right for the first game. I can't be out there, looking crazy. Even though I don't got a big mustache, but hooked me up and got me right, look good, feel good, play good. So this is the first step. I look good. Well, I always look good, but your boy look good. You know, I'm finna put that shit on, man, so I can feel good. You know what I'm saying? And I'll jump on that helmet, man, bucket up them things, and play good for sure. So, hell yeah. Almost game time. I'm nervous. A little bit. Well, I don't know if I'm really nervous. Probably just a little bit, but excited too. I'm finally back. I feel like I'm nervous because, you know, first game back from injury. It's been a long, 10 months, 11 months, however long it's been. So I'm just a little nervous because of that. But shit, I'm here. Ain't no going back. So, and plus I got God on my side, you know. Just never feel scared when I got God, but one more day, man. A couple more hours, man. That boy back, man.
We're going for a sentence. Yeah, Michael B. Jordan is officially an Oscar winner.
All right, man. I'm with the guys, man. I want all y'all to say what's good, man, to the camera. What's good, man?
It's the day before.
So what's the word, fully? You stretching, getting right. Night before.
Night before Christmas.
I was playing Christmas music all day.
We about to go over the plays, man. Locked in. It is 10:22. You know, we got the whiteboard. Finna go over the plays, get right, man, and shit, get ready to play some football. Shit, ready to go have some fun, man.
This morning, got some heavy snow and some high winds in Messy Travel. Rhonda Fox has been out in northeast Wisconsin this morning, and we'll check in with her in a moment. But first, we're going to look at forecast throughout the week.
All right, it's officially game day. I waited on this day for 11 months. Ever since my injury, you know, kind of questioned if I want to play this game, and you know, going through all those emotions of dealing, you know, with my injury and stuff. But it's here now. You know, I'm a little nervous, obviously. You know, it's been a long time, but I know I'm prepared. I know I can play. So I'm not too nervous on that side. It's just, I don't even want to say nervous. It's just antsy, you know, just to see how it's going to be, how I'm going to feel when I'm back out there. So, you know, but I know it's going to be a good one, though. I know God with me, and I know I'm going to be straight. So, man, it's time to get ready and enjoy this day and have fun and, you know, get back to football. You know, every morning, start my day off, you know, with daily devotion. What I do, I read the scripture on my phone, and then I open my notebook, and then I write the scripture. I write what I observe from the scripture, and then I write down how I could apply it to my life, and then I pray about it, and that's my daily devotion. All right, so the verse of the day we have is Psalms 105:1, and it says, "Oh, give thanks to the Lord, call upon his name, make known his deeds among the peoples." I just went downstairs to the lobby to get some breakfast. You know, I got some potatoes, some sausage, eggs, and I got one biscuit. I threw some gravy on there. So, about to eat a big breakfast, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, I could just have a lot of food in me, you know, so I gotta get a lot of energy because it's gonna be a long game, a hard game. So, yeah, I don't want to be out there, you know, not energized. So I get a fucking knock on the door from this motherfucker right here.
What's going on, man? Do what we gotta do.
Hey, I guess it's a blizzard outside, so, and we still gonna play. Good thing we play indoors though, but coach said we gotta go shovel the snow. So we're about to go outside and shovel the snow so we can be able to drive our cars. Y'all gonna see how crazy it is. It's OD. I'm trying to get locked in and hella shit. Out to my guys, man. Look, you feel me? They showing my shit out, man. Come on, your car straight?
My car done.
I
made sure.
I appreciate y'all.
We need yours. Mine's good.
I appreciate it. Hey, all the man, shout out to the boys. Look at this shit outside though. Bro, this is crazy. Hey, this is OD. Oh my God! What the fuck? Hey, I can't even see y'all. Oh shit. Hey, this is OD. We both have a game. But look at this shit. Hold on. Ah! 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 Alright, hold on. Let me actually help my nigga though. This is crazy. This is crazy as fuck. Ah. Yeah. Alright, I gotta get my keys. Oh. Shit. Alright, we just got back from shoveling that snow. I was pretty fun though. I never did anything like that, but yeah, this is crazy. To do this before a game is like, whoa. But you know, I'm all for memories and, you know, bonding with my teammates. So yeah, I'm finna brush my teeth, man, and get ready to head to this walkthrough. Even though I don't know why we doing all this back and forth, but shit, OD, man, OD. All right, this the fit. Y'all seen it with the jacket off, but it's the fit, man, to the game.
Everything I said, no, I'm standing on. I'm gonna give me some. I just cashed out. Did that other one. They looking for. I heard they looking for. In the studio, working all day, nigga, that's how I came up. I never gave up. Thank God I got my own now. Feel that I'm not wrong now. Tryna find my soul now. I can go to shows now. Got me a new pole now. Got me a new hole now. About to cop that rose now. Living on my own now. Talk about my turn down. Happy in my songs now. Bitch, you better not text me. You excited that I'm gone now. My mom's a new home now. Draco a new buzz down. My gym.
Finna get dressed, man. Ready for these warm-ups. You don't be warming up or you be chilling? You be chilling. Let that. Yeah. Yeah, I feel like everybody out there right now, I'm like, damn, it's hella early.
It's not on us, boss.
Yeah.
Blizzard coming, man.
It's a blizzard, man, so there's no fans. We COVID mode.
Yeah.
But that's cool, though.
Doing the change.
Doing the fucking change, like they said, man.
We're gonna cut to it mid-game.
Yeah, we got all the boys warming up right now.
My boy.
Hey, first dub of the season. 1-0.
First IFL dub.
Yeah, hey, yeah. Hey, Trey.
Let's go, bro. 1-0.
Hey, what Jimmy was big? Big
Hold
on, I got it.
Big
Yeah.
Come on, man.
Yeah.
Come get snow.
Hang.
Let's go.
Hey, good fucking shit out there, man. What I'm talking about, G.
Possession control.
Hey, give me a cut. Cutty buddy. Hey. Man.
You gotta watch out for him.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, y'all boys, man, 1-0.
Yeah. Yeah, get right. Goddamn, nigga.
Let's get right.
All right, so after the game, we at the distillery. Oh, snap. The whole city shut down, but they opened it up for us. We get our post-game meal. I guess we go party with some of our sponsors, so let's see how this shit finna go down, man. Oh, shit. Hey, where the food at? In the back. Oh, in the back? Yeah. Yeah. Let's go to the food, man. We'll see what's on that plate, man. Let's see what's on your plate.
Man, you know,
Ooh.
don't let it look like that.
Wee.
Fold. I'm gonna fall out the first one, so we gotta have something to fall.
Oh, look at the coat already. He even before he's sitting down. Hey, man. Oh, let me. Hold on, let me see. See. Our birthday boy. Yeah. Come on.
Oh, Venezuela's winning.
TC. Hey. Mr. Carey.
Bobby.
Yeah. Hey, what do you say? Oh, four. Oh, four. Oh, hey, we say oh, four. Hey, shit. Yeah. Yeah, good eats, man. Y'all see that, man. 3 tacos, man. Can you hit a high note right quick?
What's going on, Draysean?
So, what's the word, my brother?
Man, that's shit, man.
Yeah, dude. Come on, Ryan.
I've been kicking with my boy Draysean.